Just hired a new team member and need to get them into the system quickly? If the ADP setup process feels overwhelming, you're not alone. Today, we're walking through adding a new employee in ADP fast. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Setting up a new employee involves entering their personal information, tax details, and pay structures so ADP can process payroll correctly. Step 1. Navigate to the Employee section. From your ADP homepage, go to the Workers or Employees tab. Click Add Employee or Hire. This starts the step-by-step onboarding wizard that will guide you through the entire process. Step 2. The crucial information. You'll need their full legal name, social security number, address, and hire date. Then, you'll set up their pay rate, salary or hourly, pay frequency, and tax withholding details from their W-4. Finally, add their direct deposit information if you have it. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: have the employee's completed Form W-4 and I-9 ready before you start. Trying to set up an employee without these documents will cause delays. Having the W-4 ensures accurate tax withholding, and the I-9 verifies employment eligibility. This preparation makes the entire process smooth and compliant. So, just like that, you're ready to bring new team members on board efficiently. A proper setup goes a long way in ensuring your employees get paid correctly from day one. Now I'm curious, what's the most common bottleneck you face when setting up new employees? Document collection or system setup? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.